Hey guys, today i-review natin ang bagong Binco Pocket B9 Power Bank. Isang compact pero powerful na gadget na perfect sa mga on-the-go tulad natin. Certified na ito with 3C and CE, kaya sure tayo na pasado sa safety and quality. Meron itong overcurrent, overheat at short circuit protection. Ibig sabihin kahit sabay-sabay ka mag-charge ng 3 devices, safe ka pa rin. Hindi madaling masira battery ng phone mo at mas humahaba ang lifespan ng devices. Speaking of charging, grabe guys, may 22.5 watt ultra fast charging siya. Kaya mabilis at efficient ang power up ng phone mo. Plus meron itong 10,000 mAh capacity, enough para makapag full charge ka ng multiple times sa isang araw. So hindi ka basta-basta mawawala ng battery. Isa sa pinaka nagustuhan ko dito, super lightweight at pocket size siya. Mas maliit pa siya sa isang card. Airplane carry-on approved pa, kaya perfect siyang travel body. Hindi hassle dalhin kahit saan. Bonus pa guys, meron itong 2 built-in cables. Type-C fast charging 22.5 watt para sa Android at USB devices. Lightning cable 12 watts para sa iPhones at Apple devices. At hindi lang yun, kaya nito mag-charge ng up to 3 devices sabay-sabay with smart power distribution. Kaya kahit ikaw si tropa at si jowa, sabay-sabay kayong full charge. Meron din itong LED digital display para makita mo agad ang battery status in real time. Hindi ka manghuhula kung malapit na siyang maubos. At syempre may kasama itong 1-year warranty. Kaya sure ka na may peace of mind ka after purchase. So overall, the Binco Pocket B9 Power Bank is a must-have, compact, powerful, safe, and super convenient. Perfect siya para sa mga laging on the go at hindi afford malobat. If you're looking for a pocket size pero heavy duty power bank, this one is definitely worth checking out. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video natin ngayon, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe. Maraming salamat. Peace!